I'm having another great morning here, and I can't think of any better way to start the day than to talk about generic Sensipar or cinacalcet. Now, this is a drug that most people have probably never heard of. It was FDA approved in 2004, and it's used to treat secondary hyperparathyroidism in patients with chronic kidney disease that are on dialysis. It does this by lowering parathyroid hormones as well as calcium and phosphorus. So, not a large group of people that are being treated with this medication. The thing that makes this one different is the pricing difference. So, depending on how you're paying for this, you could be paying anywhere from $120 for an entire year's worth of this prescription up to $3,700 for a year's worth. So I just want to make sure that no one is paying more than they should be. So let's go over this. So 80% of prescription claims in the US are going to be processed through these three providers that you're seeing on the screen right now. Clear Spring or Health Value is going to be Express Scripts or Cigna. AARP is Optum or United Healthcare, and Silver Script is going to be Aetna or CVS. So we are going to assume that the pricing that they're using for their Medicare plans is going to be pretty similar to what they're using for employer plans. However, this information is highly protected, proprietary information. So, unless you're a member, you don't really have access to it. And what you're looking at now is going to be pricing for 2024 Medicare plans. And the only drug that's been put in here is cinacalcet, 30 milligrams, 90 at a time. So one a day. You're going to see the pricing then is for the entire year because that's the only way I can get all three plans here side by side. So ClearSpring or the Cigna is going to be the cheapest one. You're looking at $486 at an in-network pharmacy up to $609. What I do want to make note of here is look at the preferred pharmacies are going to be 609, 610, somewhere in that neighborhood. When the cheapest is actually an in-network pharmacy, that's going to be very misleading for anybody who assumes they're getting the best price at their preferred pharmacy versus just an in-network pharmacy. Very misleading. AARP is United Healthcare, $813 for a year's worth. Still a little bit more, but not an insane difference. And then we get over to SilverScript, and SilverScript is going to charge you $37.99, $37.99, $3,800 for a year's worth, where these other two plans are obviously significantly less. The other thing I want to show here is that with SilverScript, you have your CVS pharmacy at $37.99. You would assume that since SilverScript, Aetna, and CVS all fall under the same umbrella, they are going to be the least expensive for you, but they're actually not. Walmart pharmacy is going to be less, coming in at $3,300. So, this will give you an idea about how much this medication will be costing if you were to use your insurance coverage. But how much does it actually cost? So, because this is a generic medication, it is available through Cost Plus Drug Company. Let's check this out. So, cinacalcet, 30 milligrams, 90 count at a time, will cost you $30.20. It has an actual drug cost of $21.60 plus their markup. So, if you were to order this drug for 1 year through Cost Plus Pharmacy, it would cost you $120. Huge difference. So, what happens if you don't want to use mail order? You actually want to go to a brick and mortar store, pick up your prescription, and have somebody that you can talk to if you have any questions. Let's see what happens if on a couple of these discount cards, if you want to use GoodRx for cinacalcet 90 tablets, 30 milligrams, you can go to look $34. But then we jump up to 508, 519. $1,260 at Sam's Club. Huge price difference here. Now, not all discount cards are created equal, and they all have their preferred pharmacies. So let's try a different one too. So this is going to be single care, same drug, same quantity, $56. So you're looking at $200 for the year at Walgreens, up to $1,200 at Walmart. Craziness. So let's try one last discount card. This is Visory Health. Same drug, same quantity. $17.85 is the cheapest price you'll find here. $18 at Walmart. So this would actually cost you like $80 for the entire year's worth of prescriptions if you used a Visory Club at Walmart or the Winn-Dixie that's listed on here. That is tremendously less, or half, less than half, that you would pay using the cheapest Medicare D plan at $486 for the year. So please, if you know somebody that's on dialysis and could be taking this medication, please share this information with them. Hopefully they're not paying $3,800 for something that costs less than $200 for an entire year of therapy. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to hear more money saving tips. And remember, if you don't know your pharmacist name, you should. And thanks for watching.